Greetings. This is how I break fast with ITAL. ITAL is vital. Before peeling the green bananas, coat the hands with coconut oil to keep the sap off your hands. Are you subscribed yet? Go ahead, subscribe to the channel and like this video. In water, I am boiling my green bananas and homegrown red potatoes. In coconut oil, I saute my veggies. After cooking it down for a while, I season to my liking. Now I add a drop of water to create more steam. Once my veggies are cooked to my desired tenderness, I'm going to add my diced tomatoes and to create more steam. Add a little more seasoning for the tomatoes. I almost forgot some more seasonings I have that I could add. It's never too late. My ITAL break fast is ready, and I am grateful and I am joyful. This meal turned out delicious. Thumbs up. This is just what I wanted, something nice and light and to keep me electrified. It was so filling, I couldn't even finish it all. I love a nice hot ginger tea after my breakfast meal.